Hey, traders. What's up, guys? Welcome back to TA with Rec. Actually, little thing. I changed the channel name. I'm still going to do that intro, but yeah, the channel name is only going to be named Rec. Looks like I couldn't even find myself at times. So apparently you have to type it in specifically correct. If not, it's not going to work. So that kind of sucks. But yeah, so the channel name is going to be Rec, WRCK. So yeah, let everyone know that this is where you get your crypto TA, and that we make good predictions here. You know, we respect the TA here. All right, so going back to that, guys, I've been preaching this the past couple days. You know, it didn't look hot. I mean, there were signs that it looked hot, but not really. Like overall, it still looked pretty bad. So I guess let's just update our little chart here. I know I haven't been here in the past couple days, but let's dive on in. All right, so right off the bat, I don't remember where we drew this. Looks like we might have drawn it on the daily, maybe. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I did draw it there, but I mean, ideally it looks correct. I think that this was just look. It can still be bullish. I'm not saying it can't, but here's where we're at on the daily. You crossed over and you're starting to make negative momentum. Not good. On the RSI, you broke down out of your neutral zone at 50, and now you're sitting at 43. What do we know what happens when it gets to 43? We usually break down, bam, 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 bam. And it's not until we break that we go back up. But let's zoom out, I guess. I don't remember when I drew this, but that's just on our MACD. It's a pretty less wave than our original wave, and there's no dispute about it. You know, we got to break that resistance here. But see, this is where it gets interesting. Move over to the 4-hour, right? On the 4-hour, you did a couple of things. What did I say? If we break this, we're gonna go back down, and we are. What did we say? We said that it needed to hold the 40K, but let's go back to the stream and see where we said a couple days that it needed to hold. So let me pull this up real quick. Whoops. It's not what I want to do. I'm gonna put the notes right here. 1 second, guys. It seems. And we also need to check in on ADA. I've been. Oh man, ADA is something else. I don't even know. ADA is just something else. So what have you guys been up to? Chilling? What? Or? All right, let's see. Oh, not as a mini player. No, I don't want to do that. All right. So. We said a couple of days ago we were talking about 40 in the rectangle, and on here it says that the level that we needed to hold was 37.5, right? 37.5. We go back and we look. 37.5 is down here somewhere, right there, somewhere between here. But after your dump, you're maintaining above your initial pump stage. You know, like I think, yeah. You know, let's extend this because this happened, so it broke it. So that's a valid break, you know. You can extend this because now this is going to be resistance, you know. So let's extend that a little bit. We're going to leave this here. We're going to leave this here. Actually, I want to copy this and we're going to duplicate it and then just lower it down to, oh no, it's invalid. Yeah, it's invalid. Never mind. That don't work. We don't use shit that doesn't work. But the only good thing is here is that you are still considerably making a higher low. But we shall see. This we can jot here. That looks pretty accurate. And we knew that I talked about it, that this was the first one, this was the second one, and I didn't like what could happen, and now you confirmed the third. Confirmed the third, and on that third drop, or that third attempt, you had to drop. Like, you didn't have any momentum. Like, on the 4 hour, you crossed over bearishly, and I told you guys, I'm like, we need to watch out for that. You tried, you rallied, you picked it back up, but you never broke that downward momentum, and now you're going to go back and test. So the next one, I still think we got a little bit more way down, but as long as you can stay above 37, 38, 38,000, if you can stay above it, man, you're in good shape. Looks like you're making less negative momentum. On here, it looks like you're trying to bottom out, and you are already at like bottom zones on the 4 hour. So overall, it's not bad. It's not. I think we still can have some upside. And yeah, I think that's what can happen. Next level from here is pretty simple. We can just use our Fibonacci. So we're gonna go from the bottom of our wave down all the way to the top of our wave. And as you can see here, the fib don't lie. The fib don't lie. We're reaching our halfway mark, our 0.5 mark on our Fibonacci, and hopefully we go back up and test. I think I have one hidden on here. Let me check. Yeah, I do. And the 618. Alright. So the 382 is currently resistance. That's at 40,985. So anything above that would be great. You know? Look at that. You tested it once, failed, tested it twice, failed, you attempted 3. So you attempted for 12 hours trying to get back above 40,000. You couldn't. 41,000. You couldn't. You dropped down. Good thing is you came back, tested 39,450, almost to the dot. Let's see. Yeah, 39,471. So you're $20 off, and at this point you're, you know, But that's insane because you used it first as support, and now you came back and tested it, and it looks like you're trying to rally here. So let's hope for a confirmation in an hour and 30 minutes at 40,000 or something close to it. And you look at the 1 hour. It looks okay. It looks like you're trying. So when you zoom out, obviously we're at bottom zones. Again, this is the 1 hour, so it's kind of like meh. It's good, but it's not as good. So you see how much time we spent here. When you really break it down, that's a lot of hours, and that's kind of why that range stood still. And when you officially broke it, you broke it with so much momentum because all of this built up tension. All of this was built up because we weren't crashing down at this point. So at some point, when we use this as support here, you know, we knew that this whole bar was valid, that this whole bar was support. And then, you know, we rallied and we couldn't break it. And then we tried, came back down, and in an instant, we broke down because there was so much support that we already used from previous here. You know, we were previously just using it, and 1 time, 2 times, I guess if you really want to count this little wave up, 3 times, and on the 4th one, like you failed, you went down. So overall, I think that we got a little bit of way to go. Oh, that's actually what we should check out, because didn't we draw something? Alright, let me see. No, we didn't. But, alright, let's hide the fib. And, yeah, I kind of like where we're at, you know. This we can kind of... I don't even know where we would put this. Alright, let me delete it. Let's delete that. See, I don't like this one here because it makes no sense. So let's just take this off the hourly or off the daily. Take this one off the daily. That one's okay. I don't like this. Oh, actually, shit. Let me see. How does this do when you extend it left? Oh, that's actually not bad. Oh, bam, 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 bam. Yeah, damn. It's pretty good. So, actually, not good on the daily that we're below this, because what happens after? Bam, bam. Here, use it as support. In the 1 day, bam, 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 bam. Okay, it came back down a little bit. So, it came back down here, so... hopefully there's support there. Hopefully there's support here. You know, that's what I'm looking for. Because if not, it looks like we're probably going to go down here. 29,000. So let us not be scared and be aware of what can happen. Because now, look at that. Wouldn't that be interesting if it went like that? So you still got a lot of momentum to the downside. And, yeah, you can go up, yeah. Because obviously the time frame's not there yet, but you still got to wave down. So hopefully, you know, I would say that this would be support here, I guess, barely 38,737. But this is a big no-no zone. I don't like this. Yeah, see, this is kind of more like it. That would be the next level. Yeah, 36K. So we're gonna make this yellow because this is not as bearish, unfortunately. This one we're gonna keep red because that's the real bottom zone right now currently. So yeah, just be aware, stuff that can happen. Let's update our little chart. So current level right now is 4136. Current level that we have to break now. I mean, right now, I think you definitely need to get above this channel again. So I'm just gonna go for like 41,611. Yeah. So need to hold 40,000 for sure. You're looking to break your target level right now is 41,000. Just to get back above 41,154. All right, let's take a look at ETH real quick. Again, not all of these are gonna do the same thing that Bitcoin does. There's some that are up on the day. That's rare, super rare. Neo's one of them. Leo. What is this? CHSB. Litecoin is up a percent on the day, but Neo's up 9% on the day after the dump. And here, let's take a look at Neo as to why it might be good. Let's zoom all the way out. We'll support there. We'll support there. And as you can see, all of this was an accumulation phase. And when market participants went back down and are tried on January 25th to take the price action further, they couldn't. You had a small rally, so you look further, that was all accumulation as well. So you came back, tested it, and you bounced off of it, which is really good. Means that market participants think that there's value at these areas. And obviously, I mean, who wouldn't think that there's value after you come back down 88%? You came down 88%. Like, how do you not know that there's value there? That just means that if you let this play out in the long run, if this ever goes back to the levels that it went to, you're gaining 770%. So 7x your money. So as you can see right here, it looks like you're trying to break this level, and if you notice clearly, you pass this line and it looks like it was previous support all the way through. You can draw your line right here. And that's what you need to break right now. That would be your next level. And that looks like your last level. I'm just gonna say that there. Just for giggles. Just for giggles. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. Look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. When you zoom out, that just looks gorgeous. All of this accumulation, all of this is just like bounced once, bounced twice. Now moon? Now moon? Maybe? What if this went like this? First wave up, first wave, and bam. That would be nice. Kind of something similar to this one. Alright. So Fibonacci wise, let's bust it out. Currently, the 786 is your first level to break, and that's at $34. So let's get it. Bullish control zone on the daily. It's really, really good. You just peeked above it. Looks like you're breaking. So yeah, stay above it. Stay above it. Let's go look at ICE. Yeah, so here, definitely target 54. You're getting an 11 to 6 on your money here at value perceived areas. Like, that's insane. Just to your first wave. If you decided even just to go to the mini wave at $38, you're looking at something like this. Yeah, our stop loss would be here. Like, it would definitely not be there. It'd be right there. That's if you want a super loose stop. If you want a nice... Yeah, you're way below. Yeah, I think right there. 15%. So you'd still get 4.99 to 1 on your money. A total of 80% to the upside. Obviously that was at 2173. We're saying at these current levels right now, this is exactly what we're gonna do. Yeah, I'll drop my stop loss there to 15%. Let me drop this one down to 15. Yeah, so again, first I'm gonna put this back up a little bit more. We're gonna go there. Yeah. You're still looking at, you know, great wave up. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Even on the 1 hour, you look pretty good. On the 1 hour, it looks like you are back testing your measure move, and looks like you're above it. So that's really, really good. Yeah, that's awesome. I like that. It's looking pretty mighty fine. All right. So yeah, let's we'll check back in on Neo in a couple days. But yeah, I like it right now. I mean, it all depends on Bitcoin, because you know Bitcoin can roll over and this will fucking drop drastically, you know, just like it did yesterday. But yeah, let's see what else we got. I did want to take a look at VeChain. VeChain, man. VeChain. Full measure move down, and even a little bit further. Do I like this? No, I don't. Simply because here, you know, looks like you're back below your momentum wave, and looks like you're about to start having negative momentum. And this is on the daily time frame. So if I like, man, I want to. Don't get me wrong, I do. But I think the value perceived area is gonna be right here at 3 cents. Like, that's my guess. Even though it looks good, like on the RSI, man, you can't deny this. You know? No, I mean, no. Never mind. That's invalid. Yeah. No, don't like it. Vitho, same thing. I think still got some time, maybe, but it's looking good. It's looking good. I can't deny that it's looking good. Yeah, I mean, man. Could have happened. Did we take a look at ETH yet? I think we did, didn't we? No, actually, no, we didn't. But I mean, I'll say this on ETH, you're back testing the spring. You didn't break it like you did with Bitcoin. You're back testing it here, really, really good. And look at that, like, come on, guys. I drew this out a couple days ago. I'm not even gonna say. I think by like the first stream that I had, I think I drew this out. I told you guys, it's normal. I think as long as you can stay above 2,600 right now, that's really, really important to go to the upside. So yeah, I mean, I don't like this at all, but I mean, what are you gonna do? It's gonna do whatever Bitcoin does, you know. Look at that. We broke our oh yeah, no. Not good, not good. I wonder if this is like a thing. Like, let me see. This is July. You know, like, interesting, right? Yeah. Is this? Interesting. All right. I want to look at gold, but man. Let's see. Let's take a look at ADA. That's what we needed to do. ADA. ADA, man. I swear, dude. Look at that. Look at that. It's at $1. Fuck my life. Oh, man. It literally, like, went to... It broke $1. It did break $1. But this is kind of why you watch, because... that's grimy. That's horrible. I hate that. Ugh. But what are you gonna do? You know? Let's update the drawing, I guess. Alright. So the drawing now, I guess, now instead of this being bullish, we're gonna make this bearish on the 4 hour. So we're gonna make this red. And now we know that this is a resistance line. Oh man, here let's take a look how it would look if where our real last resistance is. That's grimy. That's not okay. Okay. This one right here, man. This looks like it's at 98 cents. 613. Yeah, man, that's so gross. Like, you couldn't just fucking hold above $1.08. Like, really? Or not even that. You couldn't even hold $1. $1. Yeah, you couldn't even do $1. That's gross. That's gross. Especially if you're creating negative momentum. This is man, a fourth one? I don't know. I don't know. How do I feel about that? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Like, man, but shit, dude. Like, you're already at like lower levels of momentum. Like, oh man, this is interesting. This is really interesting for sure. Really, really interesting. I mean, I don't know. We'll see how this goes. This got invalidated. But honestly, guys, remember, I could have had a chance to pull out here because we did talk about this bearish cross. It looks like it played out. It looks like it's continuing to play out. But we don't know what can happen. It can, at this point, reverse. I mean, let's see. Okay. Well, we'll see. We'll see what this does. So yeah, let's just get above 40,000. We'll be straight. If we can get above 40,000, we'll be straight. The only thing is, where do you look good? You look decent in the 4 hour, and I mean on the 1 hour, it looks like you're trying. Yeah, see? Drew this bearish trust down. Damn. We knew it was gonna play out. We knew. Alright. Well, yeah, guys, it's been fun. Y'all good. You know? I think that if you were watching the channel and you know, trying to do research yourself, then, you know, you would have came to the same conclusion that, you know, there's no point in freaking out right now. We're not in a... Yes, we are in a bearish downtrend still. Yeah, that's valid. But at the end of the day, when you zoom out, you know, you can't complain as to where we are, because we were just 3 weeks ago, we were at 31,000. You know, we were at 33,000, 32,000 testing levels, and maybe that's where we're going back. I told you guys, it's nice to have the initial pump, yeah, but could be a dead cat bounce and, you know, come back down, test it, go back up, something like this. I don't know. But either way, stay positive. Y'all be fine. They didn't say it was going to be easy, so yeah. $37,000 should be your bottom. We'll see. We'll see. 37,000 though. That's where I'm going. Even just on our previous one, again. Where are we? Yeah, no, not that one. $39,000. So, I'll catch y'all later. It's been fun. Until next time, peace.